I've downloaded and tested every side hustle app that's available, so you don't have to. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the only 3 apps that I found that are actually worth it in 2025 that aren't food or package delivery. The first one I'm going to talk about is one I don't think a lot of people know about, and it's really underrated, and that is going to be the Observa app. This app has been around for a really long time, and it is a photo audit and merchandising side hustle app similar to Field Agent, but the good thing is it pays a lot more. So here we are. Here are my stats. This one I haven't made the most with, but the gigs themselves pay the most. So here are ones that I did recently. $12 alcohol category photo audit. I did 2 of those. So those are at the Walmart liquor store. So it was very similar to a Field Agent $3 gig. I'll get back to Field Agent after, but you can see most of them are $3 and $4. But this was $12 for about 10 or 15 minutes, just taking a picture of every shelf in the aisle at the liquor store. Like you had to do the vodka section, the rum section. But once you got it down and you've done a couple of them, it was really quick and really easy. So we'll go to the list and see what's available in my area currently. So cough drop merchandising, seasonal seasoning palette merchandising, and then another alcohol category photo audit. So here is where this app is very different than Field Agent and Moby, and a lot of them are going to require you to interact with the staff and work with the store. So the photo audits are mystery shops, so you're supposed to go in, do it without checking in with the store. But the merchandising ones are going to be more like a regular job. You're going to have to go in the back room. You're going to have to stock stuff onto the shelf. And some of them you even have to try to get the store to order more of the product. So here it's going to say you're required to speak with the store and employment member. It says the estimated time is 20 minutes. But in my experience, it took longer than 20 minutes to finally check in and talk to the staff and get permission to do it. So I generally avoid these. I do not do them. I tried a couple of them and then I quit in the middle because it was just taking too long for the amount of money. But don't let that deter you from downloading this app, because a lot of them are definitely worth it, and they have been having more of the photo audits. So these alcohol category photo audits, when they drop, they're at like every single Walmart liquor store. So you could do 10 of them in a day in like 4 or 5 hours and make $120. And if no one does them in your area, which they're probably not, because not a lot of people know about this app, then I've seen them go all the way up to like $16 or $18. Sometimes they start at 10 and then they'll keep increasing them. So you could wait a little bit and then do them when the price increase. Or I usually just do them once they get to 12, because that's pretty much in the middle, and it's definitely really good, because if you do 2 of them in an hour, that's $24 an hour, which will get you to that $100 in 4 or 5 hours. Like this one, the category photo audit is $14, so it does pay a lot. Just in my opinion, I would recommend, at least when you first start doing this, to avoid the merchandising gigs. So let's get to the next one. This one is really underrated too. A lot of people think it's a scam or it's not worth it, but they're just not doing it right. This is the Moby app. Biggest difference between this and any of the other apps I'm going to talk about is it pays in gift cards, not cash. But you could get Visa gift cards, you could get Amazon gift cards, pretty much any type of gift card that you'd probably use anyway. I like to cash out the Uber Eats gift cards, and then on days where we want to order in, I have all these points. So here's my profile. So I have $11 that I could cash out. It just says points, but $11. So if it says 500 points, that's a $5 gig. If it says 1,000, then that's a $10 gig. So I did 343 missions. I did 7 today that are pending. So once, depending on the time in the season, there's going to be a lot. This is by far the app that has the most gigs. So here's the list view. And these ones too will increase. They call it bonuses, and they'll raise the pay if no one does it. So this one, there are going to be more mystery shops where you have to go take like one picture and then talk to the staff about buying a new washing machine, buying a new fridge, or various different things, home entertainment and stuff like that. So there's going to be a lot of Best Buy ones. and they pay a lot, and they're actually pretty easy. I don't generally like doing mystery shops, but they give you the script, and then you just talk to the employee, and then you fill out the rest in your car. Super easy, and sometimes there'll be like 4 or 5 of them at Target or at Best Buy, and they're all pretty much the same, so you can make like $12 in one stop. Lowe's, that's another mystery shop, $3.75. I did a lot of those. And then like this one, there's a lot of seasonal ones. Halloween is in a couple of days. So now at pretty much every store, there's this Scream Sweep mission, which you just have to take a picture of the Halloween displays and the seasonal aisle. Very easy to do. And you could stack a lot of these in a day. So definitely download Mobi if you plan on doing apps like this, because even if you just do it when if you're already going to Publix or already going to Home Depot to do shopping, check the app and then you could do it. Or you could do like me and then combine all these apps together to make a full-time income. But the one that you're going to make by far the most on is going to be the next app that I'm going to talk about, and that is Field Agent. These are my stats in Field Agent. Made over $6,000 with this app. If you go to your earnings, so here are all the ones that I already got paid for, and I could keep scrolling forever. I've done a lot of these. I probably do about 5 or 10 gigs a day, or sometimes a lot more on busy days. Once you do a gig, it'll be here in review, and then they'll approve it. If you do it wrong, it'll be denied, and even though I've been doing this so long, I've got a couple of denied, so make sure you pay attention to the instructions. So here it's going to be the same type of thing. You're going to get a map with pins on it, and then you could reserve them. With Mobi, you can't reserve anything, and with Observa, you get 2 hours. With Field Agent, you could reserve it for 4 hours. So here's one that I would do. $3, soft drinks, different types of drinks. The shelf grams, you're going to have to take a picture of the whole shelf of different products. It sounds difficult, but once you get good at this, you could kind of walk while you're taking the pictures, and this will probably take 5 or 10 minutes. And now it may look like there's not a lot of gigs, but the difference is between this and the other two is these ones will drop throughout the day. So I would go do that one, and by the time I did it and I refreshed the app, there will be more. So most of them are going to be these shelf view photo audits, but there are some regular audits. There's even a couple of mystery shops, but most of them, like 90% of them, are going to be the shelf view. But there are ones that pay more, like $8 to $12, and those are the store walkthroughs. So it'll be at like Walmart or Target, and you have to just take a full lap around the store. They give you a list, and you have to take pictures of different displays. Really easy. It may be difficult in the beginning, but don't give up and keep doing these, because eventually it'll be like second nature to you, and it'll actually be worth it with the time that it takes to do it. So now I'm going to give you some bonus apps that you should do if you're already doing this. Number one is just going to be delivery, like Uber Eats and DoorDash. I do not like doing food delivery as a side hustle, but if I'm driving 20 minutes north to start doing Field Agent, like this one would probably be about 20 or 30 minutes straight down one road where there's a lot of restaurants. So there's a very high chance that if I log into Uber Eats or DoorDash, so you could see there's a lot of busy restaurants on that way, there's a good chance I could earn $5 or $10 by doing a delivery going exactly in the direction that I was going, or at least in the general direction, and then I could do some on the way back. So definitely a multi-app with delivery apps. Next one is going to be Shipped. So if you're already going to Aldi's to do that gig, why not see if you could pick up someone's groceries to make a little extra money doing a shop and deliver. And also DoorDash and Uber has shop and delivers too. So a lot of times I'd be in Winn-Dixie doing a Field Agent gig, and I'll get a notification from DoorDash that there's a shop and deliver at the same store. So if you want to make more money with side hustle apps, click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent today and subscribe to this channel.